We just can't seem to escape the snow. Is this day like 29, possibly? She'll correct it on the video, because I'm usually wrong. But still a lot of ice. We had more views yesterday. I think we're up a little higher. We got about, well, we got 8 miles to go into Standing Bear Hostel tomorrow, and we got like 13 today because our shelter was about a half mile off the trail. That really don't count as Appalachian trail miles, but it's still a half mile you got to walk, and then a half mile you got to walk back out of there to get back to the trail. I think it should count.